The stupid frontline employee and how I rethink that statement now. So I always hate these frontline employees, but I think I understand a little bit better about them. So for example, somebody from Kaiser calls for my appointment and I ask them all these questions. They say, no, 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 you can't do that. And then I said, look, this doctor is not an orthopedist. She's a sports medicine doctor. They no, she's in orthopedics. You're like, okay, so I'm a doctor. She's a sports medicine doctor. Can you look her up and see what her specialty is? Silence. A lot of them don't know anything, right? Recently went to check in for my hand appointment and heard my name called overhead because apparently they wanted me to check in. And I said, what am I checking in for? I already just checked in online and I just scanned the QR code. I'm good. Like, oh, you have another appointment. You have a $40 copay. I was like, what appointment? He's like, well, I mean, I don't know if he's an idiot or he doesn't know what it is. Anyways, it's an x-ray. I said, well, if it's that x-ray, I'm not doing my x-ray. He's like, oh. It's like, yeah, well, I just told you I'm not doing my x-ray. And I walk away. And basically, and then the MA says, oh, by the way, I can't pull up your x-ray, so we'll see if the doctor needs you to do another one or not. My x-ray is done in Oregon. I'm here in California. Anyways, the doctor has it pulled up. Yeah. So, I mean, so on the one hand, you could say they're idiots, objectively, right? They do everything wrong. They don't know anything. And that's true. But on the other hand, they don't know anything. They don't have much power. They're just trying to do their best if you want to look at it nicely, right? They don't know if the doctor could pull it. They just want it to go more smoothly for the doctor, for me. And I think just doing this work beforehand would help things go more smoothly, which is correct, right? Well, I mean, I guess in the possibility that the doctor can't pull it up, it would make it go smoothly. That is correct. But the doctor did pull it up, so it wouldn't have made it go more smoothly, which is also correct. But I guess there's that small chance, right? So I guess, they're just trying to do their job. And are they doing a good job or they're not doing a good job? I think that's hard to say, right? It depends on who's judging, how are you evaluating. So I would say they're not doing a good job. They're harassing me, basically, right? Hassling me. I mean, Kaiser has lots of robocalls, spam. And then the other thing is, right, like they call to talk about appointments, like I already got one. You're calling so late. But, I don't know. Because I feel like, on the one hand, do we demand as much of these frontline people as, say, a doctor who's a professional? Because before I bug somebody else, like a doctor or even a tech, right, about not having done something, I'll look and make sure. Do I see it having been done? Because maybe it's done and just not read by a radiologist yet. If so, I won't bother to tech about doing it, right? And I feel like, do these people do their due diligence? Is that part of their job? Do they even have the ability of doing that to check stuff? I don't actually know. Maybe they're just trying to do the best. But I feel like the issue I have is they're so regimented, rigid, right? Narrow-minded. How does that work in today's world, right? Or maybe it does work for most patients because they're authoritative and patients just respond. Well, I guess it doesn't work for me because I'm not like that. But I'm pretty sure that most people in our society nowadays don't respond to authority well. Maybe we should change the way they do things because oftentimes they're just wrong.